So I'm watching all these cars cut in line ahead of me at this intersection. The right 2 lanes, the one I'm in, are going straight, and the left 2 lanes here are turn lanes. They're going to the front and cutting in front of us. I've been in line for about 8 minutes, and there we go, she just turns right into me for some reason. She leaves behind her hubcap, mirror, bunch of little pieces, and then she kind of gives me this, hey, everything's okay kind of wave, and then just like tries to drive off. Here we go. Hey, sorry, bye. To which I said, nope, and I pulled over behind her, and I was like honking, like, you gotta pull over, we gotta exchange information here. She later said that she thought my truck looked like it was okay, and I'm like, I don't care if it's, not, dented and wrecked, you just slammed into me, we need to exchange information in case there's some issues later. So I examined her car, and she was missing a lot of paint. That spot wasn't there in the damage, or the video from before she hit me. So that whole patch missing, and her hubcap, and all the little pieces and stuff that are gone, that all happened during the incident. And unfortunately, my truck is probably totaled. There's a scratch of her paint left behind on it. So I'm going to file with insurance, just get a whole new one, I think. Hashtag wrecked.